What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got an update on why Terra Lunar Classic may continue to run. This is some very exciting news for those that are invested. Those that are sitting on the sidelines wondering what you might want to do, you definitely want to check out this video. So let's get right into this. Terra Classic leads social activities as staking gains momentum with over 28 billion tokens staked in 3 hours. So Terra Classic staking appears to be gathering steam as holders staked over 28 billion in 5 hours on Monday. The community of lunatics is not giving up on the Terra project as easily as the larger crypto space expects. So I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people at first. I'm like, this project is kind of, I didn't like the way the devs handled it. Once it crashed completely, I gave the alert that it was like a lottery play. If you wanted to throw a couple bucks at the bottom right there, then that was fine. And we see for those that did that, it definitely paid off nicely. But now with more and more confidence in the project and seeing that the community will just not let up, that gives us a little bit more faith in the project. That's why I'm covering it more on the channel for those that are a little unfamiliar with Terra Lunar Classic, and just bringing y'all all the information so that way y'all can be better informed investors and make better informed investing decisions. So the community of lunatics is not giving up on the Terra project as easily as the larger crypto space expects. The recent activities of the Lunk community highlight renewed hope in the project. From the burn tax proposal to the staking initiative, proponents are putting in every effort to revive Lunk. The moment appears to be escalating as data suggests holders staked 28 billion Lunk in 3 hours following the introduction of the staking initiative. Lunk Burn, an official Twitter account live tracking all Lunk burns, shared the data in the late hours of Monday. We are currently at 528 billion Lunk staked, an increase of 28 billion in the last few hours, 7.6% of the total supply locked up. The account noted in a tweet. A screenshot was shared to corroborate the purported numbers. So there's that tweet right there. And you got to remember, when tokens are staked, that is a way of looking at them as being taken out of circulation for a period of time. And when we see that happen, that increases overall scarcity of the asset, which, if the demand is still there, will cause the price to rise. So supply and demand, y'all, connect the dots. You want to look for opportunities in the crypto space. You want to follow the money. You want to go where people are interested. You want to understand the different assets and how to break them down. You want to understand key support levels. You want to understand key resistance areas. I gave y'all in my last video a price breakout that I expect to see Lunar Classic hit, which is around that 55,000 level. I showed you in the last video. Go check it out if you didn't see that. But also, according to the screenshot of September 5th, the Lunk community has staked about 528 billion. These figures represent a staggering 7.6 of the entire, or percent of the entire circulating Lunk supply of 6.9 trillion tokens. The data underscore a massive growth in staked tokens because 10 days ago, on August 27th, there were only 101 billion staked Lunk. Additionally, it represents an additional 28 billion staked tokens in 3 hours. So they're basically letting us know that this is heating up. These are the things that you want to see, because when we see more people stake and lock their tokens away for a specific period of time, that means they are very confident as well, that the project will stay around. And when we start to see projects building, gaining confidence, then we can know that it probably has likely turned around. Things don't go down forever unless the project was just absolutely terrible and the community stepped away from it. But we can see the community is refusing to step away from this project. So we want to connect the dots. That's all we got for this video. Matter of fact, let me show you all the chart real quick. We are up at the moment. It was just 25%. Okay, 24.8% right now, sitting at that 46,000 level right now. If we take a look at the chart and we pull out our pivot points, we can see that the next resistance level from where we are is at this R4, and the R4 gives us a 55,000 level for Terra Lunar Classic. So let's see where we are right now. What would the percentage increase be? So another 20%, basically. Of course, the price could always pull back and find some support back around this 40,000 range. It could even test the 48, where we are right now. But the volume is still high. we're still seeing it trade along this upper Bollinger Band, which once it's gliding on top of this upper Bollinger Band, this means it's absolutely bullish. And then look at the size of this candle as well compared to the bearish candles. You know, it's a lot of confidence in these candles showing that they want to continue to push the price up. So you know, of course, this is, you know, I don't got a crystal ball here. You'll have to remember that things can always change. We can see something different, like macro economic conditions change in the market. You know, all types of different things can come in. Negative catalysts can come in. A new law can just get created and crash the markets. So you always want to keep that in mind. But from what we're seeing right now, it definitely looks like it wants to tap another 20% and reach that 55,000 level at the least. So that's all we got for this video. Just trying to keep y'all updated. Let me know if y'all appreciate this content. Why is it showing that camera? But I'm DecemberDeMarco. Check the links in the description section of this video. Watch out for the scammers in the comment section. I would not tell you to reach out to me on Telegram, WhatsApp, any of that. And that's all we got for this video. We are out.